Oh. Oh. What? Yeah.
What's up? Michael Mansell here, and I gotta tell you, the robot cleaning market is getting more exciting with the ECOVACS T30S Combo entering the market as a high-end cleaning tool. But is the T30S Combo really up to the task? I actually got to view this for the very first time at CES 2024, so I'm really excited to put it through its paces and test it out and let you guys know exactly what I think. Let's dive into all the goodness of the ECOVACS T30S Combo. Now, in my opinion, RoboVacuums have become a must-have tool in modern home, offering a convenient and time-saving solution to keeping floors clean. As technology advances, these robotic cleaners are becoming increasingly sophisticated, incorporating features that go beyond simple vacuuming. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo, part of the innovative T30 family of ECOVACs, stands out as a high-end option catering to those looking for a powerful cleaning experience, with the added convenience of a self-emptying and mopping functionality. I'm telling you, this is automation meets practicality. It is important to note that ECOVACS offers a variety of models within the T30 family, but in this video, I'm going to be specifically looking at the T30S Combo, which comes with an additional vacuum cleaner compared to just the T30S. My goal here is to give you a comprehensive understanding of the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo's capabilities to help you make an informed decision on whether this feature-packed robot vacuum and mop combo can become your new best friend in maintaining a clean and comfortable home environment. The ECOVAC DEEBOT T30S Combo arrives with everything you need to get started, including the robot vacuum itself and the base station that will automatically clean the robot. The box also includes all the necessary components like the mopping pads, the brushes, the power cord, and every other little detail. Once you've connected the robot vacuum to the ECOVACS app, which is available on the App Store and the Play Store, you are completely ready to set up your cleaning routines by mapping your space out. Now let's talk about some of the key features of the T30S Combo. It boasts an impressive array of features, which I gotta say sounds very promising to me as someone who has used various robot cleaners in the past several years. These features are designed to deliver a superior cleaning experience. Let's break apart some of its core features and key functionalities to see what it is truly made of. Let's talk about the ZeroTangle anti-tangle technology first, because of course it is one of my favorite features that I'm very excited about. As a pet owner myself, I've become to realize that robot vacuums can be a double-edged sword. While they excel at picking up dirt and debris, they often struggle with pet hair, especially longer pet hair, which can become entangled around brushes, making them ineffective and also quite difficult to clean afterwards. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo tackles this challenge with its innovative ZeroTangle anti-tangle technology. This system uses a specially designed brush with dual rubber extractors. These extractors come in tandem to actively prevent hair from wrapping around the brush, significantly reducing the likelihood of clogs and ensuring consistent cleaning performance. This translates to less time spent manually untangling hair and more time enjoying clean floors. What's even sadder is that some cleaners do not actually do a good job of covering every corner and hidden space, which can be quite frustrating when you think that it's automated cleaning, but it doesn't actually automatically clean all of your spaces. That's where we come to talking about the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo going way beyond just vacuuming. It actually promises a more intuitive cleaning solution and mopping function that leaves your space dry with the 2H fast hot air drying. The T30S Combo TruEdge adaptive edge mopping system takes care of your floors in an immersive and detailed way, such as staying extended for a wide cleaning path and complete edge-to-edge cleaning. It also intelligently retracts based on the surface area and obstacles for thorough cleaning around obstacles. This intelligent feature uses a microfiber mop attached to a vibrating plate that simulates manual mopping for a more thorough cleaning. The mop's design ensures optimal contact with the floor, allowing it to effectively pick up dirt and grime. But what truly sets TruEdge apart is its adaptability. The system uses advanced sensors that can detect carpets. When the robot encounters carpet areas, the mop automatically lifts, preventing the carpet from getting wet. This removes the need for manual intervention, giving a seamless transition between vacuuming and mopping, and complete clean in one go. One thing that I really like about the mopping function in the T30S Combo is the 158-degree Fahrenheit hot water mop washing. This actually relieves my obsession with doing everything in my power to remove oils and other difficult to remove stains that are greasy. What's even more impressive is that this RoboVac actually works better with various surface types. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo is a true multitasking champion, built with the ECOVACS TrueDetect 3D 3.0 and TrueMapping 2.0 technologies. The T30S Combo has everything it needs to handle various floor surfaces with ease, and can transition smoothly between carpets, hard floors, and even tile. This versatility is achieved through a combination of the robot's powerful suction from an impressive 11,000 Pascal suction motor, handheld suction of 17,000 PA, and its automatic brush height adjustment. This is a function that redefines what a robot cleaner can do in your home. The motor generates strong suction power, ensuring effective dirt and debris pickup on carpets and hard floors alike. The automatic brush height adjustment further optimizes cleaning by automatically adjusting the gap between the brushes and the floor surface. This ensures that the brushes maintain optimal contact for thorough cleaning on all floor types without damaging delicate surfaces. In addition to these key features, the ECOVAC DEEBOT T30S Combo offers several other functionalities that enhance the overall cleaning experience for you. These include the self-emptying base. This convenient feature eliminates the need for frequent manual dustbin emptying. After cleaning, the robot automatically returns to its base and empties its dustbin into a large dust receptacle within the base, significantly reducing maintenance time. Number 2 is the 3D obstacle detection. Equipped with an advanced 3D obstacle detection technology, the robot can navigate your home efficiently and avoid obstacles in its path. This ensures a thorough cleaning without the robot getting stuck or damaging furniture. Number 3 is the very strong suction power. The T30S Combo boasts a powerful suction motor capable of picking up a wide variety of debris, from fine dust and pet hair to larger particles. This ensures a deep clean that leaves your floors spotless. And number 4 is the voice control capability. For added convenience, if it wasn't convenient enough already, this RoboVac can be controlled using voice commands by saying, "Okay, Eco." This allows you to start, stop, and schedule cleaning sessions with simple voice commands, making cleaning effortless as it should be. And when you don't even want to talk, you can simply use your feet by touching the bumper with your feet when it's docked at its station. You must know, however, that your bump needs to stay on it for a little while as you casually pass by. When you combine these features, the Deebot T30S Combo establishes itself as a powerful and versatile cleaning solution, well suited for pet owners and those looking for a comprehensive and convenient floor care experience. So what you might be asking yourself is, how does the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo translate from impressive features on paper to real-world cleaning performance? I have used this cleaner for some time now, so let's get down to the nitty-gritty and see how it tackles everyday cleaning challenges. When it comes to cleaning power, let's say you wake up to a kitchen floor littered with crumbs after a morning of toast-making madness. This poses no problem for the T30S Combo. Its strong suction power tackles those crumbs with ease, leaving your floor looking spotless. And it's not just about breakfast messes. The T30S Combo transitions seamlessly to carpets, its brushes effectively grabbing dust, pet hair, and even large debris like cereal left behind by mischievous toddlers. On hard floors, the story remains the same. The robot maneuvers effortlessly, picking up everything from dust bunnies to track-in dirt. The up to 90-day auto-empty, auto-tank refill, and fast charging at a 40% faster rate makes this tool a critical upgrade for your home. Now, let's also say that you've just mopped your hardwood floors with a traditional mop, but those pesky streaks, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo comes to the rescue with its TruEdge mopping system. The microfiber mop effectively effectively picks up dirt and grime, leaving your floors looking clean and streak-free. The T30S Combo is smart enough to avoid carpets altogether while mopping. This means no more worries about accidentally soaking your favorite rug. The robot intelligently adjusts and lifts the mop when it transitions to carpeted areas. One of the issues I've had with RoboVacs in the past is its navigation capability. Remember that time your RoboVac got stuck under the couch, leaving you scrambling to free it? With the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo, those days definitely are a thing of the past. This works based on the 3D obstacle detection technology. The robot navigates your home environment with precision, avoiding obstacles like furniture, pet toys, and even shoes left astray. The efficient pathfinding features ensures thorough cleaning without any frustrating detours or robot rescues. While it's working its magic, you can relax and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your floors are getting a good clean, even in those hard to reach areas. Now let's be honest, some robot vacuums sound like miniature jet engines taking off. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo, however, strikes a very good balance. While it does generate some noise during operation, it's significantly quieter than many other models. This means you can schedule cleaning sessions without disrupting your workday or movie night. Setting up the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo is quite standard. The ECOVACS app guides you through the process in a user-friendly manner. Once connected, the app becomes your cleaning command center. You can use it to start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions, control the robot's cleaning mode, vacuum only, mop only, or both, and even set virtual boundaries to restrict the robot's movement to specific areas. A RoboVac that has that much power must be difficult to clean, right? Well, not entirely. The T30S Combo isn't just easy to clean, but was purposely designed to make after cleaning easy on you so you can focus on other things. Maintaining the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo is surprisingly simple. The self-emptying base eliminates the need for frequent dustbin emptying, saving you time and keeping dust at bay. The robot itself also features easy-to-remove brushes for occasional cleaning to ensure optimal performance. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo is a powerful and suitable for homes, offices, and any other space where keeping dust and dirt away is a constant priority. The Deebot T30S Combo certainly packs a big punch with its cleaning powers and user-friendly features. However, before you hit buy, it's important to consider a few potential drawbacks. First thing, let's talk about the price tag. The T30S Combo falls into the high-end category of robot vacuums. While you're getting a feature-rich machine, it comes at a premium cost. If you're on a tight budget, there are other models that offer a good balance of features and affordability. You can check some of my other videos for those suggestions. Size also matters, especially in a smaller living space. The T30S Combo isn't the most compact robot vacuum on the market. While it navigates really well, it might struggle to maneuver around tight corners of furniture in particularly cramped apartments or offices. If your home environment has a lot of obstacles or limited space, you might want to consider a more compact model. Let's also talk about which T30S you should buy. Deciding between the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S family of RoboVacs comes down to your cleaning needs and budget. If you prioritize high-end features and completely hands-free cleaning, the T30S is a great choice. It offers automatic dust collection and superior cleaning performance, minimizing maintenance and maximizing convenience. It comes with a price tag of about $1,000. However, if you value very powerful cleaning with automatic dust collection, the T30S Combo might be a better fit for you at about $1,200. It adds an extra handheld vacuum to the T30S, making it ideal for complex cleaning needs where you want to take control of direct precision and careful cleaning. Whichever option you choose, keep in mind that ECOVAC offers the entire T30S family for your consideration. So after a thorough evaluation of the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Combo, this feature-packed robot vacuum impressed me with its strong suction power, self-emptying convenience for both the handheld and the robot vacuum, and innovative TruEdge mopping system that tackles both carpets and hard floors with ease. The 3D obstacle detection ensures efficient cleaning without getting stuck, and the app gives you complete control over the robot's cleaning routine. While the price tag might be a consideration, in my opinion, the T30S Combo is the great option here, especially if you're a pet owner or anyone seeking a powerful vacuum and mop combo that minimizes maintenance and keeps your floors spotless, including those harder to reach areas like couches or ledges or steps that you can use that handheld vacuum for. Whether you choose the T30S Combo or explore the entire T30S family from ECOVACS, you're sure to find a robot cleaning companion that caters to your specific needs and budget. Be sure to check the links in the description of this video because I have links to the very best price so that you guys can get the Deebot T30S Combo for yourself. I appreciate a subscribe and a like on this video as it does support my channel in a huge way and costs you absolutely nothing. And yes, here's some additional videos that, yeah, you might be interested. Click one of those. Eeny, miny, miny, mo.